갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야.
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Divas, and if today is your first time of tuning in, you are highly welcome. And to my old subscribers, guys, thank you so much. Thank you for your patience. I know that I've been away for a very long time. Okay, so if you want to join my online training class, so feel free to join. Yes, so my contacts are below the description box. Just take out my WhatsApp there and you can write me on WhatsApp, or you can also write me on my Instagram. Yes, my Instagram is radiant_diva skincare. Okay, so if you want to ask any question, you have any question concerning formulations, concerning this video, please do it on my YouTube channel. Yeah, not on my WhatsApp. WhatsApp is for business, for people that want to buy my products, for people that want to join the online training. Okay, so guys, today we are going to be talking about hydroquinone. Okay, we are going to be talking about hydroquinone and the uses of hydroquinone and how to formulate with hydroquinone. So guys, please listen to this video. You have to watch this video from starting to the end, okay? Because I'm going to be talking about hydroquinone. Then in my other next video, I'm going to be formulating with hydroquinone. So in my other next video, I will just be doing the formulation, okay? So I will not even talk that much, like I will not be explaining to you, I will not be saying anything that much, just the formulation. But this video, I'm going to explain everything, okay? So I'm just going to break it down so that you can understand how to formulate with hydroquinone, if it is safe or if it is not safe, okay? So first, now I'm going to we're going to know the uses of hydroquinone, okay? So everything is, I wrote everything out here. I don't want to make any mistake. I don't want to give any fake information or wrong information, okay? Okay, guys, so hydroquinone is used to lighten the dark patches of the skin, also called pigmentation, melasma, liver spots, age spots, freckles, okay? So hydroquinone is a lightening ingredient that can help to not just lightening, it helps to also treat the skin. So most people are getting it. Most of these products, they are for skin treatment. So because they also lighten up the skin, then we start using it as a skin lightener, okay? So these are the uses of hydroquinone. Hydroquinone is used to lighten dark patches, dark skin, pigmentation, liver spots, melasma, okay? So now I'm going to go to my notes. Those are the things you can actually treat with hydroquinone, and most times we have those things on our face. You see some people, their face, they're having lots of pigmentation, they are having lots of age spots, they are having lots of liver spots, they are having lots of what is it called, dark spots. So hydroquinone is used to treat things like that, okay? It is used to treat things like that. And now we are going to know the usage rate of hydroquinone. So most people will think hydroquinone is dangerous. Of course it is also dangerous. If you're doing overdose, that is when hydroquinone will become so dangerous. It will become so dangerous on the skin. So the right amount of hydroquinone that someone should use, like if you want to use it on your lotion, if you want to use it to lighten up, you want to use it to treat any skin condition, it should be 2 to 4%. So it should not be more than 4%. It should not be more than 4%. So anything that is more than 4%, you start having some bad skin condition. Of course, I'm going to list those bad skin conditions that you can get when using high percentage of hydroquinone. So if you're using 2% hydroquinone, you're still on the safer side. Do you get 2% hydroquinone? You are still on the safer side. If you're using 3% of hydroquinone dose, you are still on the safe side. If you're using 4%, you are still on the safe side. So for you not to be like doubting, or for you not to be scared, oh, is this thing going to damage my skin, or it's not going to damage my skin. So you have to use 2% hydroquinone. And hydroquinone is not something that you have to be using for a very, very long time. No, it is a treatment. It's not a constant thing. It's a treatment. Okay, so we're going to get to that also. If you increase the percentage of hydroquinone, you're going to have a lot of skin problems, and of which I'm going to list them to you. Okay, so some of the skin problems that you're going to have when using high percentage of hydroquinone. One is skin irritation, and the other one is allergy. The other one is sunburn, and you are going to risk yourself to skin cancer. Okay, more than 4% of hydroquinone, forget it, you are risking yourself to skin cancer. So if you're using high percentage from 4 upward, you're risking yourself to irritation, you are risking yourself to allergy, you are risking yourself to sunburn, you are risking yourself to skin discoloration, you're risking yourself to skin cancer. Okay, and the other thing that you have to know about hydroquinone, the best time that you're supposed to use hydroquinone is at night time. Okay, best time to use hydroquinone is at night time, especially if you're using it on your face. You want to use it to treat spots, you want to use it to treat pigmentation, because now you are not trying to treat your skin. At the end, you're going to damage it more. Do you get it? Like you're trying to treat a certain skin condition and not knowing that you're damaging it more. So if you're using it on your face, so it is better you use it at night time. Let's just say you want to make 2% hydroquinone facial soap. So you have to be using that soap during the night time. If you want to make hydroquinone facial cream for dark spots or for pigmentation or for melasma, then you should be using it at night time. Don't apply hydroquinone product during the daytime and you go out under the sun. Okay, let's just say if you're applying it during the winter time, it is understandable. You can apply it during the daytime, because during that winter time it's all cold with snow, right? So you'll not be putting yourself under the sun. But if you're using it during the summertime, then it should be used at night. Okay, so guys, take note on that. And for you to also prevent irritation, so let's just say sometimes, like I said, the best way to use hydroquinone, like the best percentage for you to have less irritation, is 2%. And don't be surprised, some people will still be using that 2% and they will still have skin irritation, they will still have skin allergy. So you get, they will still have skin allergy and skin irritation, because all skin are different. Okay, my skin is different from your skin. Let's just say I have a very tough skin, so my skin can, I can hardly have skin irritation, I can hardly have skin discoloration. But for your skin, you wouldn't know. Okay, so sometimes even when you are even using 0.5% hydroquinone, you will still have skin irritation. And the best way for you to avoid skin irritation is moisturizer. Okay, if you are using any hydroquinone product, make sure that you are using a moisturizer. It is very, very important, just for you to just for you to prevent things like skin irritation and skin dryness, because of course hydroquinone do dry out the skin. Hydroquinone do dry out the skin, so you have to use moisturizer. Okay, it is either you use the moisturizer before you apply your hydroquinone product, or after you must have applied your hydroquinone products, then you use the moisturizer, especially if that product that contain hydroquinone is a leave-in product. If it is just a wash, like you're using a product that is made with hydroquinone, like a facial soap, you're washing it off, is a bit okay. But if you're leaving it in as a facial cream, please, you have to apply a moisturizer. It is very important, because hydroquinone do dry out the skin, for you to have less irritation, or for you not even to have any irritation like that. Okay, so I hope I'm breaking it down. I'm still going to line up everything again. So the other thing we have here is the product. If you're using an hydroquinone product, there are some products that you should not mix with hydroquinone product. There are some products that you should not mix with hydroquinone product. It is really, really dangerous, because they don't go together, and both of them, they are very, very strong. They are very, very strong. They don't go together. So if you're using any product that contain hydroquinone, please try to stay away from um benzoyl peroxide. If you're using any product that has to do with hydroquinone, then stay away from benzoyl peroxide, stay away from hydrogen peroxide. In fact, stay away from anything that contains peroxide. It is very important. Okay, stay away from anything that contains peroxide. So you can just, okay, decide, let me use peroxide to treat my product, then to treat your skin condition, then you stay away from hydroquinone. But using them together, you do not do that. Okay, you do not do that. You have to just use hydroquinone. And of course, there are some things you can also add with hydroquinone if you're making any formulation, or if you want to even apply it on your skin. Like if you're making a face cream with hydroquinone, there are some things that you can also add to hydroquinone that is even going to make it less irritation. Like it's not going to irritate you, and it's also going to expand the shelf life. Because if you make hydroquinone products today, the more it lasts, like the more it lasts, saying like 1 year, 6 months, you see that hydroquinone will start degrading. Okay, the potency of that hydroquinone will start degrading. That's why you will see most of hydroquinone products, you just see them turning black. Okay, because that hydroquinone, it has started degrading. So the product that you can add to hydroquinone when making any hydroquinone product, you can add ascorbic acid. Okay, you can add ascorbic acid because ascorbic acid, the pH of ascorbic acid is low, and also because ascorbic acid is an what is it called, antioxidant. Yeah, it has antioxidant, so it help your hydroquinone not to degrade. It help the shelf life of your hydroquinone product not to degrade. It also helps it not to also change color. And you can also add vitamin E to your hydroquinone product. Like you're making a product with hydroquinone facial cream, use your normal 2% hydroquinone, add your what is it called, ascorbic acid to it. You can use like 3% ascorbic acid. Don't use much because ascorbic acid is also very harsh also. So use less ascorbic acid, then you add vitamin A oil to it, then you can start using your products to treat out your skin. Okay, so for how long can you use hydroquinone product? Okay, so for hydroquinone product, if you're treating your skin with hydroquinone product, like you're treating spots, you are treating pigmentation, or let's just say you also want to use it as a lightening stuff to lighten off your skin. Okay, so you have to use hydroquinone for 2 to 3 months. Guys, you have to use hydroquinone for 2 to 3 months to get your desirable skin tone, to get your desirable skin color. So after that 2 to 3 months, you have to pause it. Okay, you have to pause it, then you can start using any product that contains vitamin C, kojic acid, alpha arbutin. You can make any formulation that contains vitamin C, kojic acid, alpha arbutin, and you can continue with those ones for like say 3 months again. Then you can also come back to your hydroquinone products and still continue to use it. Okay, so the reason why some formulations that has to do with hydroquinone, the reason why the products always turn black, because of the pH. Hydroquinone is really acidic in nature. Okay, hydroquinone is acidic in nature. So if you're making any product that is not acidic in nature, your product is going to turn brown. It's going to change the color. So I have seen so many people that will tell you that they added hydroquinone to their cream, and the next day the cream turned brown or black. Why? Because the pH of that cream, it's not acidic. So any formulation that you're doing with hydroquinone, it is supposed to be acidic. So that is why you can see that hydroquinone works well when it comes to targeting of pigmentation, treating melasma, stuff like that. Because any product that is acidic in nature, works faster when it comes to treating of the skin. So if you want to make a product with hydroquinone, and then at the end of it, the pH of that product is 7 or 8, so your lotion is going to turn brown. Make sure that that acidic, the pH of your product ends up being acidic, at least from 3 to 4 or 4.5. Okay, guys. So I hope I don't know. I hope you guys can understand better. So we all know that hydroquinone is a lightening ingredient. Okay, it's very risky on the skin because most people tend to use the higher percentage of hydroquinone. Like most of this our African cream, you will see they will wrote 2% hydroquinone on it. That is a fat lie. They use even up to 10% hydroquinone. Is a fat lie. Okay, they are not using 2% hydroquinone. They will just write 2% hydroquinone. Fat lie. If it is actually 2% hydroquinone, nobody will be bothered about it. Nobody will be scared about it. So because most people they tend to use much percentage of hydroquinone, that is why it will end up destroying the skin. So use 2% of hydroquinone and use hydroquinone products at night time, and also use a moisturizer when using hydroquinone products. And you have to be cautious of hydroquinone products. Okay, any product that has hydroquinone on it, just stay away from sun. And yeah, stay away from sun. That one is the first thing. Stay away from sun, please. Stay away from sun. And the best way for you to dissolve hydroquinone powder, yes, uh you have to what is it called, you have to use either water, or you can use a propylene glycol, or you can use propanidal to dissolve your hydroquinone powder. Okay, guys, so I hope this video is very helpful. You can ask your question, and please, I'm going to be dropping a video very soon. I'm going to be making a product with hydroquinone powder. Okay, so here is the hydroquinone powder. So I'm going to be making a formulation, teach you all how you can formulate with hydroquinone powder. So please make sure that you're going to watch that video also. Yes, guys, so that is it for today's video, and I'm going to see you soon in my other next video. Bye, guys.